wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Yo, more and big up St Vincent, more and big up Trinidad, more and big up all of the massive scene. Cause you don't know, countryman love on you know. We hear the man them say countryman don't like nobody. No, I don't say me don't like nobody. Me just not like certain things. And me have to stand for something. Like me say, hey, I'm not perfect, but me have to stand for something. So certain things me not like, me have to look out on it. That's just how I am. With that said, when you like the video, when you see the mummy I broke out on the gun throne, when you like that, well, me have to go to my opinion. Let's go. Now, this lady, she kinda cause some controversy because she is a UNC candidate in a Trinidad, in St Barbs, you understand? And you see her right there at work, and she have a firearm, she have a matic with an extended clip in her hand, and she had twerk and she had dance to the tune. Now, my question is, how do you guys feel about this? This is in Trinidad now. Trinidad and Tobago. You have a UNC candidate, a down to that big matic in her hand with extended clip. How do you guys feel about it? Because me have my opinion about it, which most of you or some of y'all probably don't agree with. But me will give you my opinion. But let me know how you guys feel about this, because some people is saying she's a political candidate and that's wrong, and the UNC, that's all them do this, that, whatnot. Some people attack real crazy about her, because I look in the post where I got this video from, which is from Instagram. For me, I looked at it, and at first I said, boy, politician, whatnot. But to be honest, I like it, and that's kind of surprising. I like it. The only thing where I would say, you know, as a politician, maybe the gun illegal or whatever, but let's be real. We live in a third world country, Jamaica, Trinidad, and we know that to govern these places, it's not like America or Canada or England, or Europe, where you have a systematic rule of law in those places. In other countries like our countries, it's a little bit different, and you have to govern in a different way. Sometimes you have to improvise and do things differently. You see a good thing of this when Saddam Hussein them kill Saddam, and after them kill Saddam, the whole Middle East mash up, because Saddam and Iraq, and Saddam know how to keep things. Like I said, I like it. I mean, it looks bad. See, she have the gun in her hand there, and she goes so boom and put it up. But watch her. She a bounce. She a have fun. I don't think this lady set out to conspire with gang members in the open like this, or she was there to do some nefarious thing. See, Mummy a bounce and she a relate to the area, to the community. I know people are gonna say, boy, countryman are justified. I don't see her kill nobody. And like me said, the politics and the system where we come from, it's very different. And you know, sometimes you have to do the do in a them place there. So at the end of the day, I like it, and I think it's a good look. You know what I'm saying? Mommy, don't resign. Stay upon your job. Go in your constituency and campaign. And I hope you win the seat. You understand? Because, like me said, maybe because she's a woman, that's why I like it. But I'll me say, this lady, she have fun. She have on her short up shorts and her jersey top. She have her machine and she knock it. You see what I'm saying? Now, if a man did not do that, it would have been looked upon in a different way. The man them get away with a whole heap of thing. When I say the man them, me I thought the dirty politician them, in the island them. Them get away with a whole heap of fuckery. I kill people, this, that. Them a work with police. We know from Jamaica to St Vincent to Trinidad. So, if Mummy is there, enjoying herself, even though she's a politician, I don't see anything. Boss it, mommy, boss it. See, she hold it up and knock it upon them. Now, with that said, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. And right now, we are going to play that video again before we leave. I want to sit back and watch.